Just like with the rest of your human design chart, your profile gives you key information about how you operate in the world. Profile lines tell you about what you need to feel stable and grounded. They tell you what you need so that you can understand what kinds of foundation of information and experience you need to build to feel solid, like you can trust what you know and trust your own inner knowingness. They tell us a lot about your purpose in the world, what you're here to do, what you're here to give, and what you need to receive in order to feel stable and tapped into the full expression of your potential. If we only look at the profile lines as a definition of what we are, I am a hermit, instead of recognizing that the purpose of that hermit energy is for you to know that you need cycles of retreat, respite, and renewal as an essential part of you being able to fulfill your purpose in the world, then we miss the point of understanding the key elements of the chart and certainly the true purpose of understanding the lines in your profile.